Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemsofknowledge. So I'm here with another video on Kalika Chetarike of class 9, that is learning sheet number 4. So in my previous video we have studied about the previous learning sheets, that is 1, 2 and 3. If you have not watched that, please watch it. The link will be provided into the description box. So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so let's start with the learning sheet number 4. So here you can see they have given observe the pattern of set of numbers. So here some patterns of the numbers are given. So as we are closed here, you can see okay, so you can see here it is given the natural number is given. Okay, and in that natural number again the set of whole number is given and again the integers are given. So in the rational numbers it includes integers, whole number as well as natural numbers, whereas irrational numbers includes all the root numbers, pi, that is 22 by 7, which we called it as pi. Okay, so all these numbers are coming under irrational number, whereas under rational number we get integers, whole number and natural numbers. Okay, so here they have given the natural numbers and whole numbers can be written as follows. Okay, so the natural numbers can be denoted by the capital letter, that is N, and whole numbers with capital W, and the natural number will start from 1 2 3 4, and here it will be 5 6 7 and it will so on. Okay, so similarly here 0 1 2 3 4, again here 5 6 7 and so on. So the difference between the natural number and whole number is only a single 0, because in the whole number 0 is present, whereas in natural number it will start from 1. Okay, so next what you need to learn here is about the integers. So you have already known about the natural numbers and whole numbers from your previous classes. You are going to study deeply about integers. Okay, so here the first question is given: write any two daily situations where integers are essential. So obviously we know that there are many things where the integers are necessary. Okay, so I have written few of them. So it is used in denoting temperatures. Okay, so to show it 100 degrees Celsius, minus 0 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Celsius, or minus 273 degrees Celsius. So all for these things we are using the integers, either positive sign or negative sign. Okay, then it is used to locate geographical location above or below the sea level. Okay, so if it is above the sea level, the values will be in positive, and if it is below the sea level, the values will be in negative. Okay, then the third point, used to locate negative points in games or puzzles. So if we are playing a game and in one of the round if we lose our points, then we can say that it is minus 10, that is negative marking we show. Okay, or else we will increase the points, that plus 10, plus 5, plus 2. So that all things comes under the integers. Okay, then used to locate negative or positive numbers when the lift goes up and down. Yes, obviously when the lift goes up and down it shows negative and positive numbers. You know that the lift shows positive numbers when we are going from bottom to top. Okay, like from ground floor to top floor, when we are going, the lift shows the positive numbers. Similar way the lift will show the negative numbers if we are going below the ground level, that means in the basement area, then the lift will show the negative numbers. Okay, so it is used to denote money deposited or credited in the bank. Okay, since if it is credited into the bank, it is not deposited, it is debited. Okay, so when the amount is credited into the bank, the amount will be shown into the plus. Okay, it will add up. If it is debited, it means it will be minused. Okay, so in that situation also we are using plus and minus, that means integers are used to denote negative or positive charges of electricity. So when we are studying the chapters of electricity or else magnetism, we can say, so there also we are using positive and negative signs to denote these things. Okay, so next, write appropriate plus or minus sign in the following situation is given. Okay, and here a statement is given and here you have to use appropriate sign. See, Savita deposited 300 rupees in bank. So she's deposited. Okay, she's keeping means crediting. So it will be plus 300. Ramu lost 150 rupees in business. Lost, that is minus 150. Withdraw 500 rupees from the bank. Withdraw means taking out, means removal. So it is minus 500. In Sachin, the temperature is below 10 degree from 0 degree. Below means down, it is minus. The house is located 500 meters above the sea level. Up, so it is positive. Okay, moving on to the next. So you can see the next question. Observe the figure of thermometer and answer the following questions is given. Okay, so this is the figure of the thermometer and you have to answer the following question. In which temperature does water freeze? Okay, so which is the temperature at which water freeze? Water is freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, then what is the temperature which is less than 10 degrees from 0 degree? Less than 10 degree from 0 degree. From 0 degree it must be less than 10 degree. So it will be minus 10 degree. Okay, whether 10 degree less than 0 is more colder or 15 degree less than 0 is more colder. Why? Okay, so this is the 0. Okay, they are asking us whether 10 degree, that is minus 10, is colder or minus 15 is colder. Okay, so we can say that minus 15. Okay, minus 15 is more colder, that is 15 degree less than 0 means it will be minus 15 degree. It is more colder because it is lesser than the freezing point. The freezing point will be 0. Okay, so as you go down, the freezing point will increase, means the coldest area will go on increasing, so it will be lesser than the freezing point. Which is bigger, minus 20 or minus 35? They are asking us which is bigger, minus 20 or minus 25. Obviously minus 20 is bigger number. Okay, because as we move upward direction the temperature will increase. Okay, so as we move from down to up, obviously the level will increase. Okay, so the temperature will also be increasing, so we can say that minus 20 is bigger than minus 35. But if this was plus, like if this is plus 20 or plus 35, then obviously we have to choose plus 35 because plus 35 will be greater than plus 20. As you know, it will be upper side. 35 will be upper side and 20 will be here. Okay, but in the negative case what happens, the minus 35 will be below and minus 20 will be above. So which is bigger number here? Minus 20 will be bigger. Okay, then circle the integers in following numbers. So we have to circle the integers in the following numbers. So you can see here 1 by 5, 7 by 19. Except these two numbers, everything is an integer. It is just because these two numbers are in fractional form. They are not integers, and in integers they won't carry any fractional form. So it will be either a positive number or a negative number. Okay, then moving to the next, construct a number line representing the integers. So you have to show a number line which represent the integers. So you can see on the right side you have to draw the positive number line. Okay, and on the left side you have to draw the negative number line with center as 0. Okay, so the positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0 are called as integers. So it can extend up to minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Here also plus 5, plus 6, plus 7 and so on. What is the largest integer among minus 5 and minus 10? Give reason for your answer. So we have to tell which is the largest integer among minus 5 and minus 10. So obviously minus 5 will be the larger integer because as you can see, let me draw a number line here, a rough number line. So this will be 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. Okay, roughly this is a number line. Okay, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5 and this is minus 6. Suppose. Okay, then we can say that this minus 5 and minus 10. Sorry, I have drawn the number line in the wrong way. Okay, this must be, if this is 0, this is minus 1, this must be minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6, because the negative line will be drawn downward direction. Okay, so it will be downward. So you can say that if it is going downward it will decrease its value. So you know that after minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 will be coming somewhere here. Okay, so you can say this minus 5 has the greater value than minus 10. Answer the following situation using numbers. Okay, now they have given one instruction. You can see use the positive numbers to run right side and to the next time period, and negative numbers to run left side and to previous time period. If they have given the time period, for the previous one we have to use the left side numbers, and for positive numbers we have to use the right side. Okay, Sujata reaches 0 if she runs 5 seconds to the right. Okay, see, Sujata reaches 0. She will be reaching 0 if she is running to the right side 5 seconds to the right side. It means she is present at minus 5 right now. If she is running to the right side and 5 seconds means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. And similarly, where would she be if she runs for 15 seconds. Okay, now she is at 0. If she runs at 15 seconds, where will be she? Sin, from here you have to count 15 seconds and she will be at plus 15. Okay, so earlier she was at minus 5. Now she is running 5 seconds to her right side. Then she will be reaching obviously at 0. And the next question is asked that similarly, where would she be if she runs for 15 seconds? So from 0 only, she's running to the right side. Means if she's running 15 seconds more, where will be she reached? So she will be reaching at plus 15. Saurabh starts from 0. He will be 6 meters away in 6 seconds. He is starting from 0. Okay. He will be 6 meters away in 6 seconds. Means he will be 6 meters away means he will be at 6. So when will he reach? If he runs like this for 20 seconds, from here again he is running 20 seconds. So where will be he reaching after 20 seconds? So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So he will be reaching at 26 after 20 seconds. Okay, he will be reaching at 26 meters. Next, the following image is of multi-story building and elevator in it. So now next what you are going to see a image, that is a image of a multi-story building and a image of a lift into it. Write the location value of the elevator where it is standing in the blank space. So you have to write the value of that location. Okay, so let us see the picture. Okay, so here you can see this is the picture of the elevator. Okay, and here first one is at this point. Okay, that is 3. So floor where elevator stand. So 3 means it shows 3rd floor. Similarly, 0 means it shows 0th floor. It means ground floor. Okay, then minus 1 means first floor below the ground floor. Okay, this is first floor below the ground floor or first floor in the basement area, we can say. Okay, then here also the same, first floor at the basement area, that is minus 1. Okay, next in the picture below, the elevators are moving from one location to another. The movement is moving up from first floor to downwards. Write down its movement, statement and value. A sample is given below. Okay, so this is elevator and this is at second position, second floor right now, and it is moving to 5th floor. So starting point will be 2 and it will be ending at 5. Means how many floor did it go? So that is 2 plus 3. So this is 2 and 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 steps. It will be total of 5. Similarly, here starting point is 2 and it will reach at 5. Means starting will be at 2 and ending will be at 5. It means 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Similarly, here starting is at minus 1 and it will reach at positive 1. So how many steps it is going? 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay, so minus 2 plus 3 will be 1 plus 1. Okay, next, starting point is here minus 1. Okay, and it is coming down, that is it will be minus. Okay, it is coming down means it will be minus. So here minus 1 is the starting point and reaching point will be minus 5. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. Minus 1 minus 4, it will give you minus 5. Why we have used minus 4 here? Because it is coming into the downward direction. Everywhere it is going in upward direction, so we are using plus in between. But in the last case, it is coming into the downward direction, so we have to use a minus sign here. Okay, next, performing addition and subtraction using number lines. Example is given below. So example is given, this is 0 to 4. Okay, and again it is added. It means plus 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Similar way, here you can see minus 6 plus minus 3. See here, already see from here they are showing. Okay, from 0 to it is going to minus 6. So the first number is minus 6. Again in the same direction it is going, so it has been taken as plus. Again 3 more steps it is going, so it is minus 3. So it will be total of minus 9. The total will be minus 9. Similarly, here you can see from 0 to plus 7, you can see plus 7. Plus again it is going into the negative direction from downwards, so it will be minus 4. So 7 minus 4 will be 3. Similarly, here from 0 to minus 5 it is going. Okay, and again it is changing its direction. First it is negative, now it will be positive. Change the direction. Okay, so it is minus 3. So minus 5, and this side it is plus 3, means it is going in a positive manner. Okay, this side. So it will be plus 2. Okay, next we will see. Next, they are asking us about the subtraction, that is 5 minus 2, it will be obviously 3. That is, you can see here, this is 5, 0 to 5 it is going, and it is again coming back to 3. 2 times. Okay, minus 2 means it will be 3. Similarly here, 5 it will go. Okay, again minus of minus 2 means minus of minus 2 will be plus. Minus into minus is plus. 5 plus 2 will be 7. So 0 to 5 and again 2 times. So it will be 7. Here, first it will start from 0, 0 to minus 3, and again 8 times minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8 will be, minus will be as it is, and the two terms will be added. It will be 11. Okay, next you can see, solve the following problems using a number line is given. So plus 8. So from 0 you have to go to plus 8 and again come back to minus 9. So minus 9 you have to do. So in this only you have to minus 9. So 9 times you have to come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you are going to get minus 1. Okay. Then here, 12 plus 6. So first time you have to move 12 here. Again plus 6 means again in the same direction you have to go. You will get the answer to be as 18. Next, minus 15. From 0 you are going to come to minus 15, and one is minus sign and another is plus sign. So when there is a sign change, you have to move to another direction. So it will be from here you have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are getting the answer as minus 10. Next, minus 9. So from 0 you are going to minus 9. Again minus into minus you are getting plus. Okay, so again you will change a sign and you will go to plus 7. So you are getting minus 2 as the answer. Okay, next, minus 8 minus of plus 7 is given. So from 0 you are going to go to minus 8 first, then again minus into plus you are going to get minus. So both will be similar sign. So you will go again 7 times in the same steps, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are going to get minus 15 as the answer. So here division rules are given, that is product of integers of like sign. Suppose plus into plus, so it will give you positive integer only. So plus into plus is plus only. Again minus into minus is minus. No, minus into minus is plus. So you all know this. This is the basic rules, that is plus into plus will be plus, minus into minus will be plus, and if the signs are changed, that is there is a changes, one is positive and one is negative, then the answer will be always negative. Okay, either it is plus into minus or minus into plus, the answer will be always negative. The same thing is given when it is multiplied or when it is divided. Quotient means it is divided, product means it is multiplication. If it is multiplication, see, product of integers of like sign. Okay, this is the product of integers having the like sign, then it will be positive integer. Suppose the product of the integers of the like sign will be positive only. The quotient of integers of the like sign is also positive only. Product of integers of unlike sign, when these are unlike, then it will be always negative number. Okay. Next one, you can see, fill the table containing the product of integers as shown in the model. Okay, so model problem is given and similar problem is given. You have to fill the answer to this. Okay, so this is 3 15s are 45. Okay, or else 15 3s are 45, and plus into plus it will be plus only. Here you can see minus into minus will be plus. Okay, so 8 7s are 56, and two different signs are given. One is plus and one is minus. So 5 6 are 30 obviously, and plus into minus will be minus. Here also plus into minus, two different two different signs, then it will be negative only. Okay, similar way here two different signs will be always negative itself, and 20 into 30 will be 600. 14 into 14 both are positive, no negative sign, then it will be positive only, and 14 into 14 will be 196. Same sign, two same sign. Minus 8 into minus 7, two signs are similar, then it will be minus into minus will be plus. 8 7s are 56. Again one is negative and one is positive. Since I know that there is no sign present here, if there is no sign present, it means it is positive. Okay, so one is positive and one is negative, then the answer will be in negative itself, because plus into minus or minus into plus will be minus itself, and 20 into 10 will be 200. Okay, then division of integers is given. Fill in the blanks as the model. Same, it has been divided here also. 100 is divided by 5, 81 is divided by 9, 75 is divided by 5, and 32 is divided by 2 to get all these answers. Similarly here also 48 is divided by 8. So you can see 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, and this minus sign will be as it is. Similar way, 90 divided by minus 10 is given. 10 ones are 10, 10 nines are 90, and minus will be as it is. Here both are plus, so it will be after cancellation, it will be plus only. Here both are minus, so while cancellation, this minus sign and this minus sign will be cancelled, and this will become 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, I hope everything is cleared in the learning sheet 4. So in my next video I will solve the learning sheet 5. So if there is any doubts regarding this, you can comment me into comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another video on learning sheet 5. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.